So I ordered this. Oh shit. I ordered this off of Amazon. So this is what I'm going to put on my wall. They're just artificial blue flowers. I'm gonna use this to stick it on the wall. I've never used this, so hopefully that goes well. I'm also gonna put it with these, they say it's curtain lights, but I call them fairy lights.
I said what I said.
Oh. So hopefully it comes out good. So I am finally done with the wall. I actually miscounted. I need 2 more rows. I want to put one here and one here, even though there's no lights on that side. So I'm gonna order 1 more pack. The lights also came with a remote. Let's see. Ready? Don't look at my nails, guys. Okay. Moment of truth. Wow. Wow. Yo, this is so cute. This is super cute. I can't wait until I put my bed together and see how it looks.
was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my second part to my room makeover. I know that it's been a while since my first part to the video. But again, thank you for your patience. I'm so excited for you guys to see the final result. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And now is the grand reveal of my room.